英国伦敦的皇家食物园最近是推出世界原料节展览，是用这食物原料甲会当分解的材质，互大众了解讲衫裤是一直穿一直单正拍算，应该爱顾环保。
在区园的温室内底，灰尘边啊铺真侪废弃的纱布，这款布大部分拢是来自自身商店，表示即马快时尚真浪费。另外，这边展示的是花草拟彩布料，传达自然甲衫裤的连结。这项全球威胁装置艺术，甲伦敦时尚周同时间进行。
I chose to use textiles and fabrics and fiber like jute material and cheesecloth and cotton. These are naturally sourced fibers that I had sourced ethically from around the world. And I also used natural dyes.
设计师和衫裤回归自然，免变做粪扫。
Fashion industry, unfortunately, is not the most sustainable and is a fairly large contributor to global warming. But what we don't want is people feeling doom and gloom. You know, this festival is about actually a message of hope. It's about getting people to think a little bit about what they're wearing.
环境艺术家伫咧玻璃橱内面挂大型的装置，用麻、棉、丝这款天然纤维，佮搭配食物染料，也强调艺术唔那是美感，也爱回应气候危机。
I know that many artists may not have this as an underpinning issue in their work, but for me it's really important because I want my work to have to be responsible toward the environment. I want to think about its carbon footprint as I kind of work through things, and I don't want my work to be creating more toxicity or harm.
对食物的染料会当分解的材质，到延长衫裤的寿命，这场展览传达一个信息，就是时尚会当唔免牺牲环境。公司新闻张伟林编译。